Hi everybody, it's me, Miss You, and we're going to be working on the first page of our study guide, and I'm going to go over the question, wait a moment for you to answer, then I'm going to do the answer. If it takes you longer, you could press pause and then keep going. First of all, first question, name 3 points that are collinear. I want to remind you that the word line is in collinear. So 3 points that are collinear means 3 points that are on the same line. I hope you got that right. It is point M, N, and L. M, N, and L. Name the next question. Name 2 points that are coplanar. Coplanar means on the same plane, and plan is similar to the word plane. Okay, so I'm going to wait a minute as you write 2 points that are coplanar. So those are 2 points on the same plane, and I'm going to call this point N and Q. Okay. Now it says name 2 points that are not coplanar. Remember, planar is like the word plane, so we want 2 points that are not on the same plane. So I'm going to say point Q and point M. There are many. There are several that are not on the same plane. As long as you do not put point Q and point N, you are correct, okay? Name 2 points that are not collinear. That means they're not on the same line. They're not collinear. And 2 points that are not collinear. I'd say there's a lot of them, but I'd say point M and point Q. They are on different lines. Okay? So there are several. There are also point N and point R. They are on different lines. So I just wanted you to see these. There are several solutions. Okay? Now we're going to draw 3 collinear points. You remember, collinear means they're on the same line as the word line. 3 points on the same line. So I'm going to draw my line. Okay? And I'm going to call it A, B, C. Draw point D, not collinear with A, B, C. So it's not collinear, so it's not on the same line. You want to draw point D that's not collinear. So let me see. I'm going to wait a minute, draw that point. And I'm going to call it here, point D. It is not collinear. They are not on the same line. Now it says draw a line AB. So I'm hoping you draw a line AB. Be sure that you have arrows at both ends for a line. You have 2 points, and you label it capital A, capital B, and that's line AB. Draw ray BD. So I'm going to wait a minute while you draw that ray. Which end's the point, which end's the arrow? That's what I'm looking at. Okay. BD. I'm drawing it. First, I'm going to draw a ray. And I'm going to call it B. D. And that's ray BD. Since we could also write it like this, BD, so you could see the point is at B and the arrow has to be at D. Now we're going to draw segment CD. A segment has 2 endpoints. Here you go. 2 endpoints, and they are C, D, or you could write it as DC. Both are correct.